Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this set for Mother's Day. So I'm going to do this set on some press-ons. So I have my press-ons all ready to go here. The first color we're going to start out with is Light Elegance's Power Nap. This was from the summer collection last year, I believe. It is a light nudie pink shade. I'm going to do this on two of the nails. For this Mother's Day set, I really want it to be very light colored, very floral, elegant, pretty for Mother's Day. The next color we're going to use is Light Elegance's Talk Dirt to Me. This is hands down one of my top used Light Elegance colors. It is a light off-white vanilla bean type of a shade. I'm going to go ahead and do two of the nails in this shade as well. Then I did want to pull a green to go with the floral. So this is Mysterious from Madam Glam. It is a beautiful olive green shade. And I'm going to do the final nail in this color. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of these colors. Next, I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Sweet as Can Be. This is a peachy pink fuzzy glitter. So they are little bar glitters and it looks very fuzzy like. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this on top of the two pink nails. And you can see all the texture in it. So I do take my time and just try to smooth that out as best as possible. Then I'm going to go in with Glitter Heaven Australia Fairy Floss. This is a very light pink, white, iridescent glitter. I wanted just a teeny bit of this glitter, so I drop a little bit, sprinkle it over the wet gel before I cure it. Next, we're going to go in with some foils. So I'll be using my foil adhesive gel from Jelly Nails. I go ahead and put a thin coat of this on both of the cream nails. And then this is the Four Seasons box from Jelly Nails. It's a very versatile box. If you want something floral and you want something to start out with that is very well-rounded, I would pick up the Four Seasons box because you can literally take this all year round. So in this one, I go ahead and take out this super pretty, light, elegant, they are like cream and blush pink flowers. And my scissors here are from Glitter Mix Canada. And you'll see that blue light, I have the gel curing, but I just go ahead and I cut out a bunch of the little flowers, just different ones. And then once the nails are done out of the lamp, I just start putting flowers down. I start with the larger of the two nails. I put a big pink one on the side here. Then I put that aside and I work on the pinky. I put this large white flower down. It looks really pretty. It filled up most of the nail. Then I went back in with another coat of the foil adhesive gel on top of the larger cream nail because I wanted to layer another floral on top. So I take this larger pink floral and I kind of overlap it on top of the other flower, and it turns out really pretty. Like, it just looks like a big bunch of flowers. Next, I wanted this stamping image. This is Born Pretty Plate Large number 15. It has I Love Mom on it, so I thought I had to use that in my Mother's Day set. For stamping polish, I'll be using number 2 from Clear Jelly Stamper, which is white, as well as number 41, which is a metallic rosy color. And I try using the rosy color on its own, but it was too sheer on top of the green, so I went in with the white first, and I left in all the footage, but I have it pretty sped up. This stamping image was so difficult to stamp, and I know many of you guys like it when I keep in my stamping mistakes and just my nail mistakes in general, so that way you guys can see it as well. It took me several times to stamp it in the white. I even tried to draw over it with a baby pink, but I didn't like the color of the baby pink, and I was too shaky to do the super thin lines, so I took that off. And when I tried to re-stamp it in the white, it took me, I don't know, 10 plus times of trying to get it perfect. I don't know what my issue was being so picky with it. But in the end, I ended up stamping over it with a pink metallic polish anyways, so it was a long journey. I was getting frustrated, but I really wanted this specific image on the set because it's a Mother's Day set, so I had to have this image on it. So I finally get it all stamped and it came out super cute. Now it's time for top coat. I'll be using my Madame Glam's top coat. And I would recommend a double top coat on top of the stamping as well as the nail foils. And as far as this bar glitter, I would even encapsulate this, but I'm just doing this as a tutorial. No one's actually going to be wearing these nails, so I just do a regular top coat, but that is what I would recommend if you're going to recreate this design and actually wear it. So here is how the nails came out. I absolutely love how they came out. It is exactly what I wanted. Something super light, super elegant, pretty, floral. We have that touch of the green. I love the green accent. And I used a bunch of different nail art supplies in this as well. I had a lot of fun creating this. I didn't have an inspiration picture at all. I just kind of had an image in my head and I just started pulling different items, and this is what I ended up creating, and I love how it came out. You guys will have to let me know down below what you think of this Mother's Day set. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy me doing these sets on press-ons. I hope all of the moms and grandmas out there have a wonderful Mother's Day, and make sure you guys are subscribed for more tutorials coming out very soon. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.